Well, hey, hermit here with a friend. What an amazing adaptation. Serious fake eyes. I hope the camera can focus on that. In any case, we're out here again on a sort of cloudy, foggy day on another trail, and I'm the hermit, and I'm well up above the Cloister at Three Creeks again, and just walking more trail in the woods at the exact peak of fall color. And light is in and out. There's actually been some sunshine today. The hickories are the star in this area. They tend to turn a beautiful, rich yellow, and there's a bunch of them. They don't all do it at the same time, so they spread out the glory. And gosh, just another beautiful day. I'm hoping maybe it'll get a little bit brighter and I'll be able to extol the virtues of the fall color and some sunshine, but kind of going the other way right now. So looks like it's not likely. I guess since I don't have a lot to say other than appreciating being one with nature out in the beautiful, quiet calm of a fall midday, early afternoon, and there's just not a lot needs saying. Just a lot needs being, connecting. Okay, you got a good look at my hiking stick. I have refused to give up this hiking stick. This is the hiking stick that I used to cross the Great Plains on the Lincoln Highway across Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, Nebraska, and into Colorado. This was the stick. You've seen it before. It's been getting shorter and shorter. I've lost about 2 inches of it since Colorado, and so I have made an adaptation using an old mop handle and a hacksaw to shorten it, and it'll have eternal life that way. Once this particular tip wears out, we'll just move on to another one. And the wonderful patina on the handle from the oils of the skin just makes it feel so smooth and comfortable, and I love the way I can grab it and the way I can hook things when I need to. Like if my stupid Crocs come off, which they do because I don't wear the band behind my heels, I pick it up and can retrieve it if it's fallen down a hill and put it back on. Oh, the miracles of modern science, it's endless. So this is a kind of a cool trail because we're going through some rocky, gnarly areas. Now, doggone it, these are some witch hazels. Pretty much everything you see here, as far as I know, here in the understory that is yellow, but not as yellow as that wonderful hickory, is witch hazel, and it's starting to bloom. Some of them are. Ah, yes, this one is the one directly above me, and so I need to get a place where I can look at it better, but this guy is blooming. And this is a little early. I don't know, some witch hazels don't bloom until they lose all their leaves, and they can be blooming in January. Okay. Here's a branch that's lost its leaves and has got its blooms. Here's a branch that's got one last leaf at the end, and the little stringy yellow flowers are the blooms. And they will last into the winter, sometimes well into January, as I said. So, yeah, didn't have anything to talk about, but the forest shall provide. Alright, we're coming around to a kind of a cool rocky spot, and if I can hold the camera while I walk through it, we'll do it. And then it's pretty clear we're not going to get any more sunshine. Got an inch and a half of rain. This isn't the rock that I thought it was. This is what I call weeping rock. But after an inch and a half of rain, pretty much every rock today is weeping. And we'll come down here and see how the weep proceeds, making a little bit of noise even. There's the weeping rock. It's almost more of a dripping rock today. And coming down out of gnarly boulders. Okay, well, off we go. Cross the Weeping Rock Creek. And on. How much time have I killed? 7 minutes. Well, this is way too long. So it's gonna be much the same till I do come to that rock formation, which is apparently still a ways away. So for now, the hermit will begin walking without the aid of his friendly sounding board and just store up thoughts and ideas to share later, huh? Okay, we're back in the fog, and this yellow thing is the striped maple. We've got 3 kinds of maples around here: sugar maple, striped maple, which almost always is just a shrub, and of course the red maple, and there aren't much in the way of any of them around here. Neither sugar or red, and just a few of the striped. Let's see. Striped maple is named a striped maple because of striations in its bark. And if I were to come across one that I could go to and show you that has a good bark pattern, well, I would. I gotta step over a log here. I would, but I don't see one close enough by with good stripes. There's one that would have stripes if it was a good cooperating fella, but it doesn't. Okay. Nothing up ahead, just a steep sided hillside slope in the fall color. So let's just turn it off. The hermit here with his favorite hiking stick, signing out. Yeah, showing his face so he can sign out with a smile. Take care, bye-bye. Hey folks, this is the hermit here, and I'm at a crack in the rock. Nice crack in the rock, right? It's holding some secrets. It's holding some magic. There's a root stuck in it. There's life clinging to a crack in the rock. And a little shelf full of moss and old man's beard lichen, fresh fallen leaves. The beauty of the forest, all for the crack in the rock, and the tree that has chosen its life in this great space of hardship. Love the rocks, always love to watch and see what's growing. Rock lettuce. That's the big ones with the black backs. Here's something kind of orangey. And, you know, yellowy and greeny. And up top, we've got mountain laurel. Oh, the world is just so full of little and big and beautiful things. Can't stand it. Okay, the hermit well up above the cloister at 3 Creeks. Signing out.